and welcome to another vegan Costco grocery haul. It's been a while since I've done one of these. Today I'm going to show you everything that I bought for myself and my husband. Everything's vegan, gluten-free. There's a lot of high protein things here, and in addition to kind of the regular staple items we just always buy from Costco, there's a few fun new items I'm excited to show you guys. Plus, throughout the video, I'm going to give you my top 5 Costco picks from this haul, and there's a pretty fun little taste test thrown in there that you don't want to miss. Wow, I have a lot of groceries to get through, so let's go. I'm gonna start with my frozen items first so I can get them back in my freezer because it is a hot day today, folks. We got some Beyond Burgers. Now, I don't normally buy these throughout the year, but in the summertime, I love having these on hand because it's the summertime, it's burger season. I throw them on the grill, or I will often put them in like a burger salad. I just love them because they're delicious and they have a really decent amount of protein, like 20 grams per patty, and you can't beat a good old burger. Of course, I did buy buns. I like big buns, and I cannot lie. Golden buns from Dempster's, I have to say, are the best. And yes, I bought a whopping 16 of them. Half of them are gonna stay here, half of them are gonna go to my in-laws. So, you know, you can't beat like $3 for 16 buns. Pura vida, baby. Yes, I have bought these before. They're fire-roasted primavera vegetables, and they're pretty darn good. There's a good variety in here. There's red bell pepper, zucchini, yellow squash, red onion, broccoli, lightly seasoned with avocado oil and some other seasonings like garlic powder. But I like them because, I feel like you can't see me. I like them because they're just so easy to just throw in your air fryer for like 15 minutes while you make whatever else to go with them for quick, easy meals. Lately, I've been loving them in my meal prep bowls. I've got a video going up on the channel really soon that you guys don't want to miss out. I'm going to show you how I like to meal prep with items I buy from Costco to make super easy, delicious, healthy, nourished bowls throughout the week. These are gonna go in them. Okay, moving on to some produce. We've got a 2-pound bucket of strawberries. It's strawberry season, so need I say more? I already cracked these open today, but I got a huge bag of the most delicious ruby red radishes. Like, look how enormous these are. They're so good. I had a bunch of them for lunch today. I also got some red bell peppers because they're delicious and crunchy and I love them, and I eat them like no one's business. I'm also already halfway through these, but I got a big bag of broccoli. I love this broccoli from Costco because it's already pre-washed. Why can't all bagged veggies be pre-washed? We got greens. We got some spring mix and arugula. Like I said, I've been eating so many salads and like Buddha bowls, like out the wazoo this summer. And so I will go through this, or I should say Brad and I will go through this in like a week. We got tofu, lots of it. Costco, at least where I live, has this new variety of extra firm tofu from just their Kirkland brand, which I've been really liking. It's not as firm as this brand of extra firm tofu. They both say they're extra firm, but this one is like hell of a lot firmer. This one's kind of like more of a slightly extra firm, and they're just great. I buy them because they're a good deal, and you get 4 in 1 pack and then 5 in 1 pack. So I bought like 2 of these, 1 of these, and I go through so much tofu in a week. If you guys want some tofu inspiration, check out some of my recipes on my blog and my channel, like my spinach and artichoke tofu, my tandoori tofu. Those are 2 new recipes that have hit the channel within the last month. They're both so good. We got some Zevia. This is 0 sugar soda, and oh my gosh, they're so good. We don't normally buy these from Costco. We usually just get the small boxes at our grocery store, but they had a pack of 30 on for like 20 bucks. It was such a good deal. There's grape, cream soda, root beer, ginger ale, regular cola, and vanilla cola, and they're just so refreshing on a really hot day like today. I love going down the jarred food aisle, and they've got some jarred artichokes and sun-dried tomatoes, and I love throwing these in pastas, bowls. Sometimes I make pesto with sun-dried tomatoes. Sometimes I make salad dressings with these. I just love having these on hand, and they're really, really tasty. All right, this is my number 5 top pick from Costco in today's haul. Dill pickle hummus, you guys. Now, this is not the first time I've bought it, but it is so good, and I just need you guys to be aware that it exists. It's literally the most delicious hummus. It's so creamy. It's got the most delicious dilly pickly tang, and it just tastes, I love dill pickle anything. This would be really good mixed into my dill pickle pasta. You guys should totally check it out if you're interested. This is also something I use in my meal prep bootables, so check that recipe out when it hits the channel. It might already be there. If it is, I'll link that video right up here and in my video description. Next up, jarred pickled beets. These are very quickly becoming a summer staple in our household. We throw these beets on everything, especially on salads and bowls. Sometimes we just eat them as a side dish, or we will just like open the fridge, crack it open, and eat one because they're so good. If you've tried this brand of pickled beets, let me know in a comment. Fun fact, Brad used to straight up have an addiction to jarred pickled beets from Costco. He would buy like 3 and go through them in like, I don't even know if I should tell you, but probably like a couple weeks or less, he would eat them. Sliced peaches, you guys, I'm so glad they brought them back. They have these every summer at my Costco and they are addictive. They're just very nostalgic for me. They remind me of the little fruit cup packs you get as a kid, and I could literally just eat half a jar of these in like 5 seconds. We got a big old jar of salsa. Actually, make that 2 because, you know, you can't just get 1 jar of salsa in the summer, you need 2. A couple other canned staples that we always have on hand are tomato paste and these diced tomatoes. They're just such a good deal. You can't beat them. You get like 12 of these or 15 or 16 and you just can't beat the price. I use them in all sorts of recipes, more so in the fall and winter, like for spaghettis and chilies and stews. We love maple syrup. It's our go-to sweetener of choice. Who doesn't love maple syrup? It's for more than just pancakes and waffles, you guys. I use it to sweeten pretty much anything that is a baked good around here. I'll use maple syrup. I'll use it to sweeten my chia jam. Speaking of chia jam, I always buy chia seeds from Costco. These are such a good deal and I make a big batch of my chia jam pretty much every week or so. The recipe for that I'll link below in my video description. You can use like literally any fresh or frozen berry you like and make it in like 10 minutes flat. It's so good. So much better than store-bought. We got like an 8-pack of this canned pineapple. It's just nice to have for the summer. I love pineapple recipes, like pineapple fried rice. I don't have a recipe for that yet, but I'm working on one. Canned chickpeas, as well as canned black beans. And I got a box of their organic coconut milk. My top pick, number 4 of this Costco haul, is this fun little jar of deliciousness. It's ratatouille. I have never seen jarred ratatouille ever before, and so I saw it and I was like, ooh, color me intrigued. It came in a pack of 3. I've already tried one out and they're actually really good. I'm not really a huge eggplant lover, but I did actually recently make a really good eggplant recipe that you should check out right here. Crispy air fryer eggplant. So good. But yeah, this just makes for a really good, quick, easy lunch or dinner. Just throw it in a pot on the stove, serve it up with some whatever, potatoes, rice, pasta, and grab a protein like a can of chickpeas and call it a quick and easy whatever. Really good, actually. I also forgot to mention one item of produce that I often buy at Costco. Nice big old bag of potatoes. Ironically, they're not big potatoes, they're the mini potatoes, which I love. They're great for air frying. I often will throw these in the air fryer for like a quick, easy breakfast skillet that I'll serve up with some tofu scramble, sometimes some fajita bell peppers. Next up, moving right along with our packaged items, we got some raw cashews, y'all. Cashews are kind of like a vegan staple in so many households. Let me know if they are for you if you're plant-based. They make for really good like vegan cheese substitutes, and they make really good creamy sauces. If you are dairy intolerant or you are plant-based, seriously, make a creamy cashew-based sauce. Case in point, my creamy garlic tofu. We got my favorite granola that I buy from there all the time. It's from 1 Degree Organics. I love 1 Degree Organics. I've worked with them before in previous videos. Everything they make is so delicious. Speaking of which, I also bought their oats. I always buy their big bags of gluten-free rolled oats. They're always so high quality, and I like the sprouted ones better because they're a bit more high in protein and they have more nutrition in them because they're sprouted. I'm moving on to my Costco pick number 3. These organic pumpkin seeds. I have been buying these for years, and so while they're not a new item for me, they are a top item for me that I probably haven't given enough love on the channel before. These are roasted, salted, organic, and they're so good for you. They're high in magnesium, zinc, potassium, fiber. I throw them on salads, I throw them in pesto. They're delicious, salty, crunchy. You can't beat them. Speaking of more nuts and seeds, I already mentioned the chia seeds, but I haven't mentioned the hemp seeds. I have a whole other bag that I just bought because I'm almost out of these ones. These plus the oats and my flaxseed, which is actually right here. These all go into my morning oatmeal every single day. So many great sources of omega-3 fatty acids, protein, fiber, healthy fats. We're wrapping up our top picks from this haul with 2 more items. This is my second pick, number 2, big bag of freeze-dried strawberries. Seriously, where were these like a month ago when I made my high-protein vegan strawberry cheesecake? This is such a good deal. It was only like, I think $11 for this bag of freeze-dried strawberries. They can be kind of pricey elsewhere. They're delicious. And what I really like about these ones is that they only have strawberries. Some brands sweeten their freeze-dried fruit, and these ones don't have any they don't have any added sugar, which is a bonus. And my number 1 Costco find of the day is this, you guys. Cinnamon protein cereal. What the heck? You guys, this stuff is so good. I've already cracked into it and it is delicious. It's by Farm Girl. It's a new brand I've never seen at Costco before. It looks like it's a Canadian brand. It literally looks and tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. No joke. And it's got a really decent amount of protein in it. Per 1 cup, it has a whopping 13 grams of protein. And that is coming mostly, I believe, from the faba bean protein. That's like the first ingredient on the back here. They're gluten-free. They've got a pretty great ingredients list, high in iron as well. We're gonna taste test this, okay, people? Because you need to hear the crunch on this cereal. So this is what they look like up close. Don't they look just like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, right? It's absurd. You cannot carry on a conversation while eating these because you will not be able to hear the other person because they're so flippin' crunchy. They're so good though. Oh my God. Oh, and to boot, they have no added sugar. They taste super sugary, but they're only sweetened with monk fruit sweetener, you guys. Well, that was fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul. And hey, don't forget to subscribe if you love healthy, high-protein, plant-based recipes, because that's what we're all about here at Steamy Vegan. It's a lot of fun. Join the fam. Thanks again. I love you, and I'll see you in another video real soon. Ta-ta! Oh, that tastes really great.